Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone, no matter which types of iPhone you are using, you want transfer your photos and videos directly on external hard drive. No matter you are using SanDisk hard drive or Samsung hard drive, depend upon which brand you are using. In this video, we will see how to transfer video and photo directly on external hard drive. It's very simple process. How to do it, we will see. So first of all, I just simply scan my iPhone screen as well, so you can very easily see here C to C port, and here external hard drive is a C type port. If you want purchase this one, I already added link in video description. This hard drive is one of the best hard drive, fast processing. After that, I just simply connect here in my iPhone. Let's see where you can find out the hard disk is connected or not. I just simply tab here, file section. Inside the file section, look at this here, SanDisk hard drive is showing here. It means hard drive is connected. Now picture comes how to transfer photos and videos. So first of all, I will show you. I just simply transfer couple of photos as well. Look at this here. I select this photos. Nice. I transfer bunch of photos, and you can see here how much speed we are receiving. I copy like 141. I just simply inside the share here, save to file option is available. You just simply tap that. Afterward, where you want save, you can go back. So here the browse and then SanDisk hard drive is showing here. You can create here folder as well. Just simply create. I create here folder demo and just simply tab here, and afterwards I say here save, and look at this here speed 1 2 3 4 and done. Within a 5 seconds you can transfer 141 photos. You can select like 1,000 photo, and less than minute you can very easily transfer the hard drive. Again, I open here hard drive, SanDisk, here the demo and all the photos here, even the without buffering you can see the photos as well. Like I open here one by one photos, you can very easily see and check. That is the beauty of this external hard drive. Next point come here, how to transfer the video. You can apply the same process for video as well. I just simply select here 2-3 videos, 5 videos, save to the file, and here is the demo. I just simply randomly put it here in the video, and look at this here. The data is transferring 1 2 3 4, depend upon the how much. Look at this here. I just picking something and data is a transfer. So this is the beauty of this SanDisk external hard drive. Without any panic, without any problem, you can very easily transfer your photos, videos using these tips and tricks on external hard drive. You can apply the same process of Samsung and other brand hard drive as well. Why I am creating this video, because of if I use my MacBook and I use AirDrop every time, iPhone to MacBook. If I record like a 5-minute video, so I need to spend 5 to 10 minutes for the airdropping point of view. That's why I make this video and fix my problem as well. So if you are content creator, so you should apply these tips and tricks and fix your problem and access very easily data from one device to another device using these tips and tricks. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.